Okay, so today seemed like a good day to get some more seeds in the ground, grow as much food as I possibly can. That way I don't have to pay for it at the grocery store. And you know what? I was just thinking earlier, man does not live by bread alone. Sometimes he just needs some okra and some greens and some beans, right? Well, okra, if I had all the money that I spent on okra last year, buying it out of the store, man, we won't talk about that. So, all of this is okra. I am growing more okra. I repurposed some of my water containers, cut the tops off, put some soil in there, and dropped in some okra seeds. And right here, these are the tops of those same water bottles. I do not like to waste anything. That's why I call this my frugal homestead, because I figure I look at things and I say, what else can I do with that? So I'm using these tops also as plant starters. And I saw, oh my goodness. Well, okay. So you saw a little failure going on there. These are not very sturdy. But let me just explain what I'm doing, and then I'll do the rest of this off camera. I saw a teacher, a science teacher online, and she was teaching her students about how to plant cucumber. And so she was showing them to slice the cucumber thinly, and the seeds are inside of it, of course, and to just plant that slice of cucumber. But she did not finish the experiment to show you the outcome or to see if it grew. So I decided I'd do my own little experiment. So guess what? I sliced up a cucumber. I'm going to put one in each one of these little containers. This may go well and it may not. But hey, you don't know until you try. And some of you have probably already done this and you're laughing right now. Oh, okay. So we're just having all kinds of issues trying to just get it going. Okay, let's see here. Let's try that again. Put that in there. Put that right in there. And put another one in. And trying to film something and show you is difficult. So I'm just going to tell you right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover these with some more soil and let them get some sun and see if those seeds will, first of all, the jelly inside of the cucumber, that little jelly area needs to dry up, and then the seeds need to germinate. So let's just see if the teacher's experiment is good, because you don't want to teach kids stuff that doesn't work. How disappointing. All right, so I will check it out and I'll get back to you. All right, go plant something.